Alright, so as you can see by the title and thumbnail, I'm going to be doing what is in my tackle box for fishing. And I usually do freshwater fishing. I don't have that much stuff because I kind of just got into fishing, but I will show you guys what I have. I'm in my garage now because that's where my fishing stuff is. Okay, here we go. It's actually like 7 in the morning right now because I got up at 4 because I have baseball later. Stuff's over here. Is my tackle box? Oh, here it is. That's on it. Never mind. It's right here. Okay, I found it. It's basically like a big box, but there's like really nothing in it. But so basically it's like 3 rows. Basically, I got some bobbers on the top row. Just like, see, they're like different sizes, as you can see. Then we got some of these, which I never tried yet, actually. So, see that. I have different colors. This kind of is a little different. Yellow one. This one's actually really old. I don't think it might still work, but it kind of does. And then like a watermelon looking one, which is kind of bigger. Got some weights. 1/8 ounce, an 1/8 ounce. And this is a split shot. So, yeah, and these are for bass. These aren't really for, I don't know what to say. But, yeah, so also, my favorite one is probably this one, because it just looks cool. So I got another one of those. And then I had a whole bunch of jitterbugs. Like, I hope so. Well, I must have myself. It's just like a little jitterbug. I had like 2-3 other ones, but this is just corn for bait. I put in there. I was carp fishing the other day. Gatorade bottle. We got some pliers. I actually have a lot of stuff in here. Cutting knife just in case something happens. Fly spray. Or not fly spray. Yeah, fly spray. Yeah. We have hooks, which I only have one more left, which is actually really weird. It's a size 6. More split shots. What's this? Oh, line. I also have some swivel snaps. Kind of cool. They're size 10s. I also have size 12s of those, but I don't know why there's bobby on there. There's 2 actually. More weights, more hooks, bigger hooks. Jeez, that's messy. Yeah, so this one's actually a tiny hook. I don't know, it's dumb. It's a little probably for sunnies. Maybe a bass might bite on that. I don't know. Got some scissors. I don't know what kind of scissors these are, but scissors. Should probably clean this up. Yeah, so pretty much that's all that's in my tackle box. Let me show you some rods that I have. Well, I only have 3, but and then I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna be getting. I'm only gonna bring the 2 rods out because this, I have the same exact one as this. So basically, this is a medium, I believe it's called. Basically, I caught a bass on this. Tiny bass. I mean, where I am, it's not really bass. You just hold it like usual ones, flick it, cast out. I have a little split shot on there right now. 2 split shots. Swivel snap. I took off the hook, I'm pretty sure. And yeah, so that's my medium. And then this is probably my favorite rod, a little ultralight. I love it because Sunny's put up a fight, dude. Like, Sunny's actually do put up a fight. One Swivel Snap on that. This one actually has a hook. Probably gonna put a bobber on this, but yeah. And then I'm also gonna be getting another ultralight just because I love these rods. It's just so fun to fish with. Yeah. So by the way, I got this all at Dick's Sporting Goods. They're really good supplying fish stuff. So that's the end of the video, guys. Please like, subscribe, share with your friends. Yeah, so pretty much my next upload will be soon. Yeah, so see ya.